Hello, Gonna Geeker. Stephen Jondrew here from GonnaGeek.com and from Better Podcasting, doing another unboxing. This time it's going to be the Heil PR781 studio microphone. This is a dynamic desk microphone for Elite Transceivers and Podcasting. Of course, I'm just going to assume that we skip over that transceivers and part, and it's just for Elite Podcasting, which of course the Gonna Geek Network is, right? Okay, terrible joke aside, this is the box, and let's just unbox it and get into it. Here we go. Let's take a look. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, just pretty standard Heil packaging. Not a ton of pizzazz to it, but you know, it serves a purpose. It's a box. Let's just go take a look. All right, so first opening it up here, it looks like we have information on the Heil PR781. Looks like it's got two different versions. This is the version here on the right that I've got, and apparently there's a gold version. Ooh, put that off to the side, as well as a thank you. Thank you for purchasing our product. I love that. Nice little piece. Nice little piece there that adds an extra touch. And, ooh, I believe it's a sticker. All right, so I'm assuming the microphone is under here. Aha, it is. All right, so there's a piece of plastic, as well as looks to be the stand and the microphone. Let's go ahead and pull the stand out first. Taking a look. There we go. That was in there nice and snug. I love Heil products for several reasons. A lot of it is that it never ever really feels cheap. I've had a few different Heil products, and like this stand here is just well above average. I can tell you that the way this feels, it's metal, it feels durable, and as I tighten it, you like, I know that it's locking here and it's going to take the weight of the mic no problem. It's fantastic. Hands down, above average mic clip. Let's go ahead and put that on the side and get to the main unit. All right, I'll see if I can dig this out here. It would really be embarrassing if I dropped it or something. All right. And there we go. So feeling it, obviously you can tell it's smaller than an average, larger dynamic microphone, but it still has a good amount of weight. It is metal. And again, that I mentioned there, the sort of Heil feel, it does feel like a quality product, I have to say. It's really nice. I will say this, it reminds me a lot of my BP40, my Audio-Technica BP40, just the way that it's designed. There's a lot of similarity between the two in sort of this part here compared to the grill on the Audio-Technica, as well as the metal. Again, hard to describe, but it just reminds me a lot of it. But that is it. That is the Heil PR781 dynamic microphone for Elite Podcasting, of course. Elite Podcasting. I'm assuming that that's what it is. Thanks for watching.